Hi, I'm Mrs B, and today I'm going to show you how to do written multiplication. This is the kind of multiplication where you don't want to use your head. Let's start. Maybe I've got a number like 345 and I want to multiply it by maybe 7. Here's how I do it. First of all, I have to write it out so that my numbers line up in columns, just like if I was doing an addition algorithm or a subtraction algorithm. So here I've got my ones house, here's my tens, and here's my hundreds house. I will start in the ones, just like I do if I'm adding or subtracting. So I start with the ones. 5 times 7 is 35. So I put my 5 in the ones and I carry my 3. Next I do the tens. 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. But now I have to add my 3. So I will do 28 plus 3. And the answer to that is 31. Right on. Next I can do my hundreds. 3 times 7 is 21, but I have to add my 3 again. So 21 plus 3 is 24. And there's my answer, 2,415. If I want to check my answer by estimation, I can think, 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21, but this is 300 times 7. So I would have 2 extra zeros. So 21 with 2 extra zeros on the end of it would be 2,100. My answer is kind of close to that. So by estimation, my answer could be a good one. But if I want to know for sure, I can always use a... That's right. Let's get my calculator out and we can check it together. Here we go. 345 multiplied by 7 equals 2,415. And that's how you multiply 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, by 1. Next, I'm going to show you how you multiply 3 digits by 2 digits. So we'll need a blank page. Alright, for our next multiplication, let's choose a different number, like maybe 263. And this one we're going to multiply by a 2-digit number, say maybe 24. Right, first I will start again in the ones house. So I will do 3 times 4, which is 12. Carry my 1. Now I do 6 times 4, which is 24. But I add my 1, so it will be 25. Right. Now I take my 2 times 4, which makes 8, and add my 2 for 10. That's now my ones house finished. I'll cross it out, and I'll cross out my carrying just so I don't use it for my next step. Right. Now I am about to multiply the tens, so I need to put a placeholder in the ones. That means that I'm ready to show that my answer for this part is working from the tens house up. My final answer will of course be my ones added to my tens. So let's start with the tens. In the ones house, 3 times 2 is 6 times 2 is 12. And then 2 times 2 is 4. And 1 is 5. Now I just add my 2 answers together. My ones and my tens will make the total answer. 2 and 0 is 5 and 6 is 11. 1 and 2 is And 1 and 5 is 6. Now if I want to check my final answer by estimation, I can say 250-ish multiplied by 20 would be, well, 250 times 2 makes 500, and I would need to add another 0 to that because I'm not timesing it by 2 but by 20, so that would make my answer needing to be around about the 5,000 mark. Is my answer close? No, but I can always check it on the calculator to be sure, so let's do that. We've got 263 multiplied by 24, and the answer is 6,312. Does the method work? Yes, it does! I've been Mrs B, and that's how you multiply by 1 and 2 digits using written multiplication. Thank you very much.